In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Behance fonts. If you want fresh, designer-made typefaces without the hassle, Behance is a great place to look. I'll show you how to find them, download them safely, and get them installed on your computer, so they're ready to use in your favorite apps. First, open your web browser and go to Behance. In the site's search bar, type free font or free font download. This narrows results to projects where designers share fonts at no cost. You'll see a variety of styles, from display fonts to clean text families. Take a moment to browse the thumbnails and click a project that matches your needs. Whether that's a bold headline font for posters or a readable serif for longer text. Once you are on a project page, scroll through the description. You are looking for a button or link that says something like Download Now, Free Download, or a direct link to the files. Designers often place this link within the project description or just below the previews. Click the link when you find it. Many designers host their files on external platforms. You might be redirected to Gumroad, Dropbox, Google Drive, or the designer's personal website. That's normal. Simply follow the on-screen prompts on that page to access the download. If a platform offers multiple files, choose the font package, typically provided as a zip. Before you download, check the license details in the Behance description. Look for whether the font is personal use only or free for commercial projects. Personal use generally covers things like personal prints or schoolwork, while commercial use includes client projects, logos, products, or anything that generates revenue. If you plan to use the font in paid work, make sure the license allows it. When in doubt, consult the included license file or the designer's notes on the hosting page and keep a copy of the license with your download for reference. Go ahead and download the zip file. Then extract it, double-click it, and select Install. That's it. Enjoy exploring new typefaces for your projects. And thanks for watching.